Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning supporters, thanks for joining me. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please consider subscribing and join the family. In today's video, I'm making a Spanish chicken and rice one-pot meal. And here's a run through of all my powder season. Here I have paprika, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, complete season, dry parsley, salt, and I'm going to mix all those together. And then I'm going to take away a quarter, leave it for the rice, and the 3/4 we're going to use that to season our chicken. Moving along, here I have a small chicken I cut in small pieces, and I'm going to wash with vinegar, then we can season. Time to season, guys. Here I have about 1/2 cup of oil. I'm going to use around 1/4 cup. Pour it on my chicken. Massage it properly. Then I'm going to add my powder season mixture. Make sure that all my chicken well coat with this season. Then we go on to the other steps. A full list of all the ingredients used to complete this dish will be listed below, okay? Here I'm showing you guys that my chicken well coated in the powder season mixture. And here I have a pot over medium flame. I'm going to add the remaining oil, allow it to heat up. Then I'm going to add my chicken pieces in single layers, and I'll allow these to brown for 2 minutes on each sides. Here after browning on both sides, I'm removing from pot. Then I'm going to repeat for the other pieces. Then we'll go on to the other steps. Moving along, guys, here I have some onion, garlic, and bell pepper. I cut off camera, and I'm going to add that to my pot, sauteed. Then I add my washed rice, mix to combine, and we move on to the other steps. Okay guys, now I'm going to pour my chicken broth, and my chicken broth should be twice the amount to rice. So if it's 1 cup of rice, it's 2 cups of broth, okay? And then I'm going to add my leftover seasoning, stir. I'm also going to add the juice of 1 lime, mix well, add my chicken on top, lower my flame, cover my pot and allow to simmer for 10 minutes. Then we come back for Okay, here I'm back after 10 minutes. I'm going to add the slices of 1 lemon. Sprinkle a little water on top to make sure my rice is completely cooked. Cover back tightly. And our next step, we can share, okay? We can serve. Okay guys, here you have it. My Spanish chicken and rice 1-pot meal is complete. But our last touch is to add some chopped parsley on top, and here is the revealed shared dish, looking so delicious guys, and trust me, it was. And here I use some tomato slices just to highlight the colors. I serve it with fried plantain. I also add a slice of lemon just to bring out the colors. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Test out this recipe. Tell me all about it in the comment section guys, and if you haven't got my bell on, please guys do so. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.